Python in DevOps. We will explore how Python can be a powerful tool in the realm of DevOps, providing automation, scripting, and efficiency to your infrastructure as code. The power of Python in DevOps. Python has become a staple in the world of DevOps due to its versatility and ease of use. From continuous integration and continuous deployment to orchestration and configuration management, Python can handle it all. With its clean syntax and extensive libraries, Python allows for quick and efficient scripting, making tasks such as containerization, deployment automation, and serverless computing a breeze. Automation with Python. Python's ability to automate tasks such as deployment pipelines, monitoring, logging, and alerting allows for a more efficient workflow. By writing scripts in Python, DevOps teams can save time and reduce the risk of human error, leading to smoother and more reliable operations. Infrastructure as code and Python. Using tools such as Ansible, Docker, and Kubernetes, Python scripts can provision and configure resources in a cloud environment, ensuring scalability and flexibility. Continuous integration and deployment with Python. By integrating with tools such as Jenkins and Git, Python scripts can automate the build, test, and deployment processes, ensuring that code changes are quickly and consistently deployed to production environments. Monitoring, logging, and alerting automation. Python scripts can be used to automate the collection and analysis of monitoring data, the logging of system events, and the generation of alerts for critical issues. Python and cloud computing. Python scripts can interact with cloud services and APIs, automate cloud resource management, and orchestrate complex cloud workflows. Conclusion. In conclusion, Python is a versatile and powerful tool for DevOps teams looking to streamline operations, improve efficiency, and automate workflows.